So, late naman tang nakamata. I defrost my crab for a little bit. And washing it right now because ato aning lutoon. Pasensya na mo sa akong stove, guys, kay need pa nag-cleaning. Anyway, I cut my garlic and onions already, so we're gonna saute that first. Yep, that's what it looks like when you saute garlic and onions. So, ato lang siyang i-mix-mix, make it brown for a little bit. And then, we're gonna add the crab. Simple running a crab ako ang pagluto, guys, because dinalian ni siya, emergency ni siya nga pagkaluto. Because we wake up late already, you know? So, yeah, simple lang. Just not, I don't put a lot of ingredients, but the main ingredients nga di gid mawala kay ang coconut cream. Mo ni siya ang magdala og lami. So, just put all the can and then add a little bit of water and make it boil. So, mo na siya, guys. I don't have a big pan, guys, so kana lang sa atong gamiton. And I already put some of the seasoning, especially dili gini mawala ang pepper, okay? And then the beef bouillon, my favorite seasonings. Use this all the time. So muna na siya. Just mix it. Make sure everything's coated. And then just wait for a couple minutes and make it boil. So excited na yung lola because we're gonna eat soon. Okay, I'm so hungry now. So that's what it looks like, guys. It's already done. Luto na siya.